Hey guys.
Told us all the news about their book. The monster forward into the line, but also getting this guy in the line.
Hey guys, sorry about that. I guess I'll just
Kill them, for they know not what they do.
guys let the music play and
Kill them. Wow.
we'll just let it play. Like I said, sorry about that, but see if I can turn it off. Well, I'll just talk for this video. Normally I wouldn't, but oh well, we'll do alright. So I was gonna do like a bad A rock bouncer build with this thing and see, like dampening. C2 huge travel. Travel. I'll do 20-ish. Okay, so that's it for tuning suspension. So, max that out. Make it a 1.4, yeah, 3. Actually make that 1.3. Radius 1.2. And keep it 1.3. Okay, so both is 1.3. Rim size 0.8. See, then we'll go to gear tuning. First gear, we'll make that 1.5. Third gear will be the same. There we go. See what this thing makes with the power. It's not pretty. That's pretty damn good. I wonder if we could change like suspension. Yeah, it don't look like it's gonna be changed at all. So now you'll go to customization. Go to customize body. Nope. We'll do absolutely not. Winch. Front lights. Wait, actually, the front light might work. Yeah. Clear pack. Ring boards. Paint. I was thinking of making it like a really weird green. Yeah. I wonder if we can make like the roll cage a different color. Doesn't look like we can on the body. So we can change the rims. And go to work. Black wheels like I could do on everything else. Or what would work for wraps? Maybe we can make something with that. The green with the black roll cage might not work. Yeah. So it looks like we're gonna have to stick with the black. Looks alright for something I'd build. So we'll go and test this thing out. No, we don't want to go to there. Custom maps. Try that one for the heck of it. Yeah. See, this thing gets up and goes pretty good. I don't remember which map we went on, so. Oh. I don't know if you guys ever watch like those rock bouncing videos. There's that light green one. I tried making this one look like, but it didn't turn out great. What the heck is the point of this? Maybe we can get out of here. Dang it. Oh, it's supposed to be like hill climbing and stuff. Rock bouncing. Dang, I can't drive very good for steering. Oh, come on. Just as well went to the rock park. Try a different map. Actually, Okay. I wanted this truck to be like one of them bounty hole ones. Looks like it's a little bit on the short side. But we'll get up eventually. I typically just bring my my trucks through here. Hardly ever bring crawlers. Come on, you little old vehicle. Can't be that hard to climb. Oh, come on. Is it the thing not wanting to give, or is it my bad driving? Probably a lot of both. Probably a lot of my bad driving. There it goes. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Shoot, high standard. Dang it. Oh, maybe, 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 maybe. Oh, dang it. Now I just fell off of that rock. No! I jinxed it. There we go, maybe. I gotta quit jinxing it. Oh, come on, you frickin' piece of freaking garbage. Yeah, this thing needs to be a little more tall. Come on. There we go. No, 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 no. Dang it. Where's this gonna go? Probably don't want to find out. We don't have to. There. Yeah, I typically bring bigger vehicles in, but this thing's a little vertically challenged. Alright, we're gonna call it a video. So yeah, that was like the crawler, bouncer, whatever you want to call it, build. But yeah. So yeah, here it is. Oh shoot, my bad. So yeah, if you guys would comment, rate, and subscribe, that would be awesome. And I will see you guys later.